Hi guys, what a smartphone-sized USB modular signal generator can do. This is Ceyear USB-powered modular vector signal generator. It features a wide frequency range from 250 kHz to 6 GHz, 80 MHz modulation bandwidth, a wide dynamic range, and excellent phase noise. The output can be CW signal, analog modulated signal, pulse modulated signal, normal digital vector signals, and arbitrary waveform signals. It has a very compact size, similar as a Huawei smartphone, and weighs less than 300 grams. So we connect it to a laptop USB port for power supply and communication, and use this software to control it. Then we connect the RF output to this signal analyzer. The current frequency is 1 GHz and the power is 0 dBm. Turn on the RF output and we get the peak at 1 GHz, minus 0.7 dBm. We change the frequency to 6 GHz. You can see the signal peak and its current power. Change the output power to its maximum output of 11 dBm. The peak is changed accordingly. Then change the output power to its minimum of minus 56 dBm. We set the analyzer's reference level to minus 20 dBm, and you can see the measured power is around minus 56 dBm. We enable the pulse modulation. The pulse width is 5 microseconds and the period is 10. And enter the pulse analysis mode. Set the signal frequency to 6 GHz. Set the measure time to 100 microseconds. Thus, we can get 10 pulses on the screen. Zoom in the table subwindow to check all the IEEE-defined pulse parameters, such as the pulse width, period, peak power, and so on. The pulse rise time is about 10 nanoseconds. We change the period to 5 microseconds and width to 1 microsecond. Change the period to 2 microseconds. Set the measure time to 10 microseconds. Here are 5 pulses on the screen. We change the width to 500 nanoseconds to 100 nanoseconds to its minimum width of 50 nanoseconds. You can see now the duty cycle is 2.5%, and the rise time remains at 10 nanoseconds. This module can also generate digital vector signals. We switch off the pulse modulation, select the vector signal to COM64, and switch it on. We enter the vector signal analysis mode, set the signal frequency to 6 GHz, set the modulation format to COM64. You can see the EVM on screen. Here is a normal spectrum of this COM64 signal. You can also load arbitrary waveform files to generate sustained communication or radar signals, each less than 300 grams weight, makes it ideal for mounting on drones or field use. That's all for today's test. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel and see you next time. Bye.